Welcome to Sky in Mac Tutorials. Today we'll be talking about how to earn money on African Newspaper. A lot of people are testifying about this thing. A lot of people are making money. You can make a lot of money. You can make as much as a 20,000, a 1,000, a 50,000. That's up to you. Basically, that's up to you. So all you need is just to buy an e-pin, which costs about 100 kwacha. So that is more like an investment. Like you have to invest 100 kwacha for you to be part of this system. So me, I have already logged in. This is my account, Chantel Makungu, as written there. So a lot of people, they earn money on African Newspaper by logging in. So every time you log in, the people who created the people who are in charge of paying people, they will pay you a 5 kwacha just for logging in. And reading news, you earn a 10 ingwe. Commenting on posts, you earn a 20 ingwe. And every time you post something, like this news here, it was posted by someone who's part of this system, who is Darlington Mwansa. He posted it in news. So this post was approved by the admin and he got a 10 kwacha for this post. The maximum of the posts you're supposed to post on this website, there are actually 2. So if you post 2 posts and they get approved, you get a 20 kwacha plus the 5 kwacha for logging in. That's a 25. And if you have a lot of time to read news and comment, you'll be basically earning even up to a 50 kwacha a day. Yeah, it's up to you. Actually, it's up to you. So how do you become part of the African newspaper system? You have to buy an e-pin. Like I said, an e-pin. Like I said, 100 kwacha. You have to pay that amount in order for you to be part of this system, which is more like an investment. The 100 kwacha is. So as I scroll down here further, you see here where it's saying purchase an e-pin. Read what an e-pin is. E-pin vendors. So this e-pin, it's a non-refundable. It is non-refundable. It is non-refundable, yes. So you have to be careful. There are a lot of fake vendors out there. So for you to avoid the system where you are scammed and everything else like that, you just have to go to their websites. They have names of people in your country who are responsible for selling the e-pins. We have South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, here Zambia. There are names here of people whom you can buy the e-pin from. So me, I basically got the e-pin from Cece Mwape. I just pressed on the line. So when you press the line, it will redirect you to her WhatsApp line. Our WhatsApp account. Yes, so you go to our WhatsApp account. You can call anyone, just get their line, you call them or WhatsApp them. So there are a lot of people who are giving out e-pins, the fake vendors. You just don't get the number from anywhere, because they'll surely steal your money and everything like that. So after you have bought the e-pin and everything else, just click on the description, on the link in the description box. It will take you to this page. Yes, this page. This is where you sign up. So here it is saying, warning, if you were referred or your referral username is not showing below, please check if the affiliate link is correct, because this cannot be undone after sign up. Please ignore if you do not have a referral link. So you have to enter here your username, email, password. So let's go back to the warning. So I don't know basically what will happen to your account or anything like that, so it's better you just follow what the warning which is here than crying later on. So here my name is supposed to, like, my name is appearing here, so this is the referral link, my name, the one which is appearing here. So you have to make sure it appears here before you sign in, you sign up. So just type your username. So your username can basically be your nickname or anything. It doesn't have to be mandatorily a real name. So you can just type anything. So King, email address. This is my email address. A password. It can be anything. So if you don't know how to create an email address, you just have to follow the other link which is in the description box. Yeah, it will show you how to create an email address. So here my name is supposed to appear because I'm the one who referred you to this page. And then you have to select the country. You have to, so if you're in Zambia, you select Zambia, enter EPIN. So this is where you enter the number. So this was my EPIN, the one I bought. So this was the EPIN that I bought from Cece, the vendor. So you just have to press sign up, and then your name is supposed to be here. You should say welcome, whoever your name or nickname you put there. And you have to go to the dashboard where you will find there will be a record of all the money you'll be earning. So this is how you basically sign up on African Newspay and earn money. So to learn more about African Newspay, just watch my next video where I'll be talking about how to know your way around African Newspay and earn money the right way. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, after you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up, you click on that like, and you have to comment. Yeah, comment about this video and just anything that you'd like to know more about on African Newspay.